How to share Strava activity on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can share Strava activity on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Strava app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Over here, you want to head over to the activities section. Now locate your activity that you want to share. Tap on that. Now you will find this share icon over here. Tap on that. Now you can share this activity to either your Instagram stories or send this as a message. Go ahead and select whichever you want. If you want to share it as stories, select that. Now the Instagram app will open. From there, you can easily share your Strava activity. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.